Struggling to add crisp chat to your Namecheap site? In 4 minutes, I will show you exactly how to integrate it step by step. No confusing jargon, no guessing games. Just a simple walkthrough from start to finish. So, here is the plan. We will start from your Namecheap dashboard, go into the website builder, find the integration section, connect crisp chat, and paste your unique website ID. Let us dive right in. All right, first thing is first. You need to open your Namecheap website builder. So go ahead and log into your Namecheap account and find the site you want to work on. Click that Edit button to open up the builder. This is your command center, so take a quick look around. Now, once you are inside the editor, you will see a highlighted area or a specific section on the page. Just click on that highlighted part. It is usually the main content area where you want the chat to appear, but really, the system just needs you to click anywhere in that highlighted zone to activate the editing tools. Next up, navigate over to the Integrations section. You will find this in the sidebar menu on the left. Look for the word Integrations and give it a click. This is the hub where you can connect all sorts of third-party tools to your site, from analytics to live chat. Now, inside the Integrations area, find the option that says All-in-One Business Messaging Platform. That is Crisp Chat. Give that option a click to open up the Setup panel. Here is where we hop over to Crisp. You will need to sign in to your Crisp Chat account. If you do not have one yet, it is free to set up. Once you are logged in, go to the Websites section in your Crisp dashboard. This is where you will find the settings for each site you manage within Crisp. And here is the really important part. You need to find and copy your Crisp website ID. This is a unique code that connects your Namecheap site to your Crisp account. Look for a field labeled something like Website ID or check your site settings. Copy that entire string of characters. Now come back over to your Namecheap website builder. You will see a field waiting for that code. It might say, paste your Crisp website ID here. So go ahead and paste that code you just copied. Double check that it is right. One wrong character can break the connection. Once it is pasted in, click on the highlighted area or the confirm button to apply it. The system will recognize the code and link the two services together. Finally, look for a save button, specifically for the Crisp Chat integration. It is usually at the bottom of the panel. Click Save Crisp Chat. Give it just a moment to process. And that is it. Your Namecheap website now has a live chat widget ready to go. You can test it on your live site to make sure it shows up. Visitors can now reach you instantly, and you can capture those leads in real time. Thanks for following along. You have got this.